What if a $25,000 humanoid robot could eventually do the work of a factory operator, a warehouse employee, a quality control inspector, and even a household assistant? More importantly, what if Tesla has just revealed the technology that could make that future possible far sooner than most people expect? This week, Elon Musk shared a remarkable update on X that may end up being one of the most important Tesla announcements of the year. Musk wrote, "Tesla AI chip design engineering reviews are so great, team is awesome. Our AI6 chip might set a record for most amount of usable intelligence from a wafer when factoring in yield." At first glance, that sounds like another technical update about semiconductors. However, hidden inside that statement may be the clearest indication yet that Tesla Bot Gen 3 is approaching a major leap forward. After all, if Tesla is targeting a future selling price of roughly $25,000 for Optimus, the company doesn't just need a robot that can walk. It needs a robot intelligent enough to create real economic value. And that is exactly where AI6 enters the picture. The timing of Musk's comments is particularly interesting because Tesla appears to be shifting from proving that humanoid robots can move to proving that humanoid robots can work. For years, robotics companies have focused on mobility demonstrations. Some robots can run, some can jump, some can perform backflips. Yet despite billions of dollars invested across the robotics industry, very few humanoid robots have become productive workers. Why? Because the biggest challenge was never mobility. The biggest challenge was intelligence. A robot does not become valuable because it can walk across a room. It becomes valuable when it can understand instructions, recognize objects, adapt to unexpected situations, coordinate complex movements, and complete useful tasks without constant supervision. This is why AI6 may be far more important than many people realize. Tesla is not designing the chip solely for vehicles. According to the company, AI6 is being developed for full self-driving software, robotaxi operations, Optimus humanoid robots, AI training clusters, and future data center applications. That detail is significant because it suggests Optimus is no longer a side project borrowing technology from Tesla's automotive division. Instead, the robot has become one of the primary reasons this next-generation AI platform is being built. If Tesla intends to deploy AI6 into Optimus before many other products, what does that tell us about how important humanoid robotics has become to the company's long-term strategy? The performance roadmap offers an even bigger clue. Tesla has previously indicated that AI5, which is expected to enter mass production around late 2027, could deliver approximately 5 times the computing power of the dual AI4 configuration currently used in Tesla vehicles. That alone would represent one of the largest performance increases in Tesla's AI history. However, Musk has also suggested that AI6 could potentially double the performance of AI5. Think about what that means. AI5 could provide a 5-fold increase over AI4, and AI6 could then double that performance once again. If Tesla reaches both targets, AI6 could provide roughly 10 times the AI capability available in today's hardware. That raises an important question. If AI4 is already capable of supporting full self-driving neural networks and processing video streams from multiple cameras in real time, why would Tesla need 10 times more computing power? The answer may reveal Tesla's true ambitions. Musk has repeatedly stated that future AI chips will not debut in consumer vehicles first. Instead, Tesla plans to deploy them in Optimus robots and AI training clusters before eventually bringing them to passenger cars. That decision speaks volumes. Musk has argued that current AI4 systems are already powerful enough to achieve driving performance that exceeds human safety levels. If Tesla genuinely believes autonomous driving is largely solved by today's hardware, then AI6 is not being built primarily to improve cars. AI6 is being built to solve robots. And humanoid robots represent a dramatically harder challenge than autonomous vehicles. A self-driving car mainly needs to understand roads, traffic, signs, pedestrians, and nearby obstacles. A humanoid robot must do all of that while simultaneously understanding spoken instructions, recognizing thousands of different objects, maintaining balance, coordinating dozens of joints, manipulating tools, estimating force, planning tasks several steps ahead, and reacting to unexpected situations in real time. Imagine something as simple as unloading groceries. A robot must identify each item, determine where it belongs, navigate through the house, open cabinets, avoid obstacles, and adjust if something has been moved. Humans perform these actions effortlessly. For a robot, they represent one of the most difficult challenges in artificial intelligence. This is where Tesla's architectural improvements become extremely important. Musk has revealed that both AI6 and the future AI 6.5 platform are expected to dedicate approximately 50% of their Trip AI accelerator resources to SRAM. This ultra-fast memory allows AI calculations to occur within a high-speed workspace rather than repeatedly waiting for slower memory access. Tesla is also expected to transition to LPDDR6 memory, providing significantly greater bandwidth than the LPDDR5 and LPDDR5X systems associated with AI5. These upgrades may sound highly technical, but they are directly connected to what Optimus can actually do. Tesla's latest neural networks are already approaching the memory limits of AI4 hardware. More memory and faster data movement allow larger AI models to operate efficiently, process more information simultaneously, and make better decisions in real time. In simple terms, Optimus Gen 3 will not become useful merely because it can think faster. It will become useful because it can understand more of the world at the same time. That intelligence could fundamentally change how work is performed inside Tesla factories. Today, manufacturing facilities require workers to transport components, organize inventory, prepare tools, move materials between stations, load equipment, package products, and perform countless repetitive tasks throughout the day. Equipped with AI6, Optimus Gen 3 could potentially handle many of these responsibilities. However, the more exciting opportunity lies in tasks that require judgment. The robot could inspect products for manufacturing defects, identify missing components, verify assembly quality, monitor machinery for abnormalities, organize workstations, and assist technicians with multi-step procedures. These jobs represent thousands of labor hours every week inside a single gigafactory. Unlike traditional industrial robots that remain fixed behind safety barriers and perform one repetitive action, Optimus is being designed as a flexible worker capable of moving throughout a facility and switching between multiple assignments. A single robot might transport materials in the morning, assist with quality control in the afternoon, and support packaging operations later in the day. That level of flexibility has historically been one of the biggest obstacles in factory automation. The opportunity extends beyond manufacturing. Warehouses and logistics centers may become some of the first large-scale commercial markets for Optimus. Every day, millions of products must be unloaded, scanned, sorted, transported, organized, and prepared for shipment. Traditional automation systems work best in highly controlled environments, but they often struggle when conditions change unexpectedly. A humanoid robot capable of understanding instructions and adapting to new situations could fill a gap that conventional robotics has struggled to solve for decades. Imagine a machine that can unload a truck, organize inventory, prepare customer orders, and assist warehouse workers using the same hardware platform. That flexibility could dramatically improve productivity while reducing labor shortages. Yet factories and warehouses may only represent the beginning of Tesla's ambitions. The home could eventually become the largest market of all. Most people imagine household robots performing simple chores such as vacuuming floors or carrying groceries. Tesla appears to be aiming much higher. With the computing capabilities promised by AI6, Optimus Gen 3 could potentially fold laundry, wash dishes, clean kitchens, organize rooms, retrieve misplaced items, water plants, take out trash, prepare simple meals, monitor home security systems, and assist family members throughout the day. These tasks may sound ordinary, but they are incredibly difficult because every home is different. Furniture layouts change, objects move constantly, and human behavior is unpredictable. Solving these challenges requires precisely the type of intelligence Tesla appears to be building into AI6. The opportunity becomes even larger when considering elderly care. According to United Nations projections, the global population aged 65 and older is expected to exceed 1.5 billion people by 2050. Many countries are already experiencing severe shortages of caregivers and support workers. A capable Optimus robot could help retrieve objects, carry groceries, deliver medication, monitor safety conditions, assist with household tasks, and support independent living. Even partial success in this market could create one of the largest commercial opportunities in robotics history. The economics may be just as disruptive as the technology itself. Musk has repeatedly suggested that Optimus could eventually be manufactured for less than the cost of a vehicle, while many analysts estimate a future selling price near $25,000. At that price point, the value proposition becomes difficult to ignore. A typical full-time employee works roughly 2,000 hours per year. An Optimus robot operating up to 20 hours per day could theoretically exceed 7,000 working hours annually, even after accounting for charging maintenance, software updates, and downtime. The potential productivity advantage remains enormous. If businesses can purchase a humanoid robot for approximately the price of a compact car and deploy it across multiple tasks, adoption could accelerate much faster than many analysts currently expect. Tesla's manufacturing strategy suggests the company is already preparing for that future. Samsung is expected to manufacture AI6 under Tesla's reported $16.5 billion semiconductor agreement, while Tesla has also pursued deeper vertical integration through collaborations involving Intel and SpaceX. Few robotics companies possess Tesla's combination of custom silicon design, AI training infrastructure, real-world data collection, manufacturing expertise, and large-scale production capabilities. These advantages may ultimately prove just as important as the robot itself. Ultimately, the most important takeaway from Musk's latest post on X may not be the chip. The real story is what Tesla plans to do with it. AI6 is not simply another processor upgrade. It may become the foundation that allows Tesla Bot Gen 3 to transition from an impressive demonstration into a genuinely productive worker capable of generating real economic value. If Tesla succeeds, factories could operate with unprecedented flexibility. Warehouses could become dramatically more efficient, and households could gain access to an entirely new form of assistance. The question is no longer whether Tesla can build a humanoid robot. The question is whether AI6 will provide enough intelligence to make a $25,000 Optimus one of the most disruptive products of the next decade. And based on Musk's latest comments, Tesla appears increasingly confident that the answer is yes. Even more importantly, Tesla plans to deploy thousands of Optimus robots across its factories, turning every production line into a real-world training ground for AI6. If successful, Tesla could dramatically reduce labor bottlenecks, increase manufacturing efficiency, and accelerate production at a scale few competitors can match. That is why AI6 may become the key technology behind Tesla's next industrial revolution.